contest?
My feeling, I was really nervous. Like just now when I was driving here, like how come when I step into the car, my palms at least still I can still feel some heat. And then when driving almost when I made the toll already right in front of you know that the LDP toll, how come my palms become sweaty? Even though that time was like I think maybe close to 12 o'clock only.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it's a very good experience for you?
Yes, definitely.
So, is it enforced by your HR manager?
Is this recorded?
It's his boss. It's his boss. So
Yes.
I don't think he said anything bad.
Directly to the HR manager. So, but luckily, performance review is over. Partially, yes. Partially, yes.
But in fact, it's a very good platform for you?
Yes, correct, definitely. Because I get to meet a lot of people, and I think Toastmasters members, they are all very friendly, very cheerful, very energetic, and I loved it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's follow up. I know your club meeting is in the afternoon.
Yeah.
So if you may wish to other club like Crystal, all the ladies, and young and sweet lady, so you can come to our club.
I actually have a question for Crystals, right? I know that you all only accept female, but do you also welcome guests when
Yes.